Hi friends, let's solve this tricky math problem. 5 times 4 goes first. 5 times 4 equals 20. Next, I drop the 7 minus divided by 8 minus 6. Next, 20 divided by 8 goes first, and I can break this down further. Half of 20 is 10, and half of 8 is 4. And I wrote it in a fraction form. I'll do the same for 7 and 6. So I dropped the 7 minus, but in a fraction form. 7 over 1 equals 7, does not change to 7, minus 10 over 4. Next, drop the minus 6 down, but in a fraction form. 6 over 1 equals 6, does not change to 6. Next, I subtract these fractions and I solve it from left to right, not right to left, because the answer will be wrong. So you start with the left. Notice the denominators are different, so I will use a different color for the butterfly method. And I draw 2 wings, 2 antennas, and a body. And you multiply what's inside the wings and write the results above the antennas. And the body gives you the denominator. 1 times 4 equals 4. 7 times 4 equals 28. 1 times 10 equals 10. And then you subtract 28 minus 10. That gives you 18. So the numerator is 18, and I can break this down further. Half of 18 is 9, and half of 4 is 2. So 9 over 2 cannot be broken down further. Next, I'll erase this for space and write 9 over 2 larger on the board. 9 over 2, and the same for the 6 over 1. Notice the denominators are different, so yes, I will use the butterfly method again. So I draw the wings and multiply what's inside the wings. Here are the antennas, and you write the results above the antenna, and here's the body. This gives us the denominator. 2 times 1 equals 2. 9 times 1 equals 9. 2 times 6 gives us 12. And then I subtract 9 minus 12. Just turn those numbers around. That gives you a negative. So it will be, so you got 10, drop 9, 2, 3. So it's negative 3. So negative 3 is the numerator, and this cannot be broken down further. Next, let's figure out the decimal answer and the mixed number answer to this improper fraction answer. And I'll write the first answer up here, so negative 3 over 2. And I'll write the mixed number answer here and the decimal answer here. And here is the long division. So the long division symbol. So the 3 goes inside, that's the dividend. The 2 goes outside, that's the divisor. How many times can 2 fit into 3? 1 time. And 1 times 2 is 2. And 3 minus 2 equals 1. And the whole number will be, and I'll use a different color. I'll use green. The whole number is 1. So that's 1. Green is low on ink. I'll use red. So the 1 is the whole number, and it's negative 1. The remainder 1 goes above the fraction bar, and then the 2 goes below the fraction bar. And if you want to turn this mixed number answer to the improper fraction answer, all you have to do is multiply 2 times 1, that's 2, and then you add what you have in the numerator. So that becomes 3 over, and keep the denominator the same, 2, and it's negative, and you went back to your improper fraction answer. But this in a decimal form is 1 negative 1.5, because 1 over 2 equals 5, right? And those are your answers. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you subscribe, thank you so much. And if you got the right answer, hit that like button. And please keep watching my videos and keep learning. And I will see you in those future videos. Thank you so much again for watching my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.